Sodium solid of mole of chlorine gas to form sodium chloride solid. Sodium chloride solid, first it converts into Na plus, it should be in gaseous state, this is plus sublimation energy. Then it converts into Na plus, and by liberate one electron, this is known as ionization energy. Then first chlorine dissociate into chlorine gas, this is known as dissociation energy. This chlorine gas attracted by an electron, this is minus electron affinity to converts into which one? Cl minus gas. Now the combination of these two, always gives which one? Sodium chloride as a which one? Solid. So this total particular energy is known as what? U. It is represented by what? Lattice energy. Which energy? Lattice energy. So this particular cycle is known as what? Born-Haber cycle. So by using Born-Haber cycle, lattice energy is calculated. So Born-Haber cycle is always works on the basis of thermodynamics first law, that is Hess law. That is which law? Hess law. Calculate the lattice energy of calcium chloride. I gave this particular data, that is sublimation energy of calcium is 121 kilojoule per mole, dissociation of chlorine equals to 242.8 kilojoule per mole, ionization energy of calcium to calcium plus 2 2422 kilojoule per mole, electron affinity of chlorine to Cl minus, what is that? 355 kilojoule per mole, delta H of calcium chloride equals to minus 790 kilojoule per mole. Now already you know the principle for the calculation of lattice energy, that is U equals to Q minus, that is eta formation of calcium chloride minus of sublimation energy plus dissociation energy plus ionization energy plus 2 into electron affinity. So therefore lattice energy equals to lattice energy Q value is how much? Minus 795 minus of sublimation energy is what? 121 plus 242.8 plus ionization energy is how much? 2422 minus 2 into, what is this, minus 2 into 355, so this equals to, so u equals to minus 795, okay, so minus, here is what, 121 plus 242.8 plus 2422 minus 710, minus 710. So therefore here is what, Q equals to minus 795, here is also minus which one, 2075, add these three, so therefore U equals to how much, minus this amount of energy is released, so 2860 kilojoule per mole, kilojoule per mole. So this is the calculation of which one, lattice energy, by using which one, by using Born-Haber cycle. Which cycle? Born-Haber cycle.